Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josh Gibbons, a 16-year-old brand identity designer from the UK. So, we have an amazing update for my Amazon FBA journey today. So, if you didn't already know, there are 7 aspects of life. I love going over this to teach myself what they are. Always gain clarity on the 7 areas of life: health, wealth, business, social, relationships, spirituality, and wisdom. For my wealth aspect, I'm starting off my journey with a business model called Amazon FBA, if you're totally new to the channel. And what an exciting update it is. You've already seen the title, you've already seen the thumbnail. Guys, okay, that's my football pillow. That wasn't meant to happen. Guys, we've got 1, we've got 2, and we've got 3. All of the samples are here. I just got the 3rd one today, so I thought I would hop on and make a video. Is that a better view now? There you go, there they are. All the 3 samples. So, what I'm gonna do now later on today is open them all up, compare, analyze the products, make note of, the best things with each one, the potential with each one, how I can work with the best supplier, and analyze kind of, who had the best terms, who had the best price, and compared to their product. So, and I need to come to a decision on who I need to go with for my first order before I launch this product. So, I am so happy that I've got this far. So excited for what's going to happen next, and also an update. Actually, I'm going to save that for another video. An update about kind of logo and packaging, which is another step there. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Where are you in your process? Leave a comment right now down below and let me know. I'll catch you in the next video.